Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to control notifications on YouTube. To do that you have to go to the YouTube app, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that click on settings on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is an option called notifications. You have to click on it. And as you can see here, you have all types of notifications that you can receive on your phone. And of course, you can choose which notifications you activate. And to activate a notification, type of notification, you have just to click on it, like for the circle near to it to be blue. And you can deactivate it by just clicking on it too, for the circle to be white, and like that it will be deactivated. Of course, you can choose here whatever like notifications you want to receive. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next video.